Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create your Unreal Engine project. First, right-click on your desktop and go to New Folder. Name this My UE4 Game. It's always best not to use spaces when you create your folders or name your files when you use Unreal Engine 4. It can sometimes get confused with the spaces. Go ahead and double click on that folder to open it up. It's an empty folder and we're going to go ahead and create our project file right here. I'm going to go to Start and I'm going to search for Epic. And I'm going to go ahead and open Epic Games Launcher. I'm now going to go ahead and click on the launch button at the top right corner. And I'm going to wait for this to load. For this project, I'm using Unreal Engine 4.24. Once this new window has opened, go ahead and choose Games. Click Next. Then we're going to go ahead and choose the first person template. Go ahead, click Next again. Make sure your settings are exactly as mine. We're using blueprints, we want maximum quality, ray tracing can be disabled, desktop and console selected, and make sure that you have with started content selected as well. Here it's asking us to name our project. I'm going to go ahead and name this project My Game. Again, make sure you don't use any spaces. Unreal Engine 4 doesn't like space. I can demonstrate that to you now. If I go ahead and put a space in there, you can see that I have an error message that says project names may not contain a space. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that space. Over here it's asking me where do I want to save it. I'm going to go ahead and click on these three buttons over here. Go to desktop and go choose the folder I created, My Unreal Engine 4 Game. I'm going to choose select and I'm going to click on create project. In a few seconds, once this is done loading, our engine file should be open. You can see that inside of this folder, sorry, I have the VR running as well. You will see that inside of this folder, there is now a new folder called My Game, and these are the files that we need in order to run our game. The project is now opened. If I was to close this project, I can always open it back up again by going to my folder on my desktop, going into the folder called My Game, and this blue icon over here, by double clicking that, my game will open up and I'll be back into my project again. There you go. You've created your very first Unreal Engine project. Go ahead and click on play, click on your screen, run around, shoot things, and see what they do. Have fun, and I'll see you soon.